want to show you how to uninstall your graphic drivers if you're having any issue with your integrated drivers or your dedicated drivers. Your integrated drivers is your Intel, and your dedicated drivers is either your AMD or your NVIDIA. So for me personally, I use an NVIDIA graphic drivers. This is it, NVIDIA control panel and all that. Somehow I've noticed some issues on my PC, the games and some rendering software I use don't respond properly. As you can see, the control panel is not opening at the moment, even though I've already clicked on it. It used to open, but I don't know what is happening. It's kind of misbehaving for quite some time, and my software are not functional enough. So I want to change this and reinstall another one, probably from my manufacturer's official website. This current one I have was done from a driver pack, snappy driver pack. And when I installed it, it didn't come with an NVIDIA control panel. I had to do a kind of update for the control panel to come, but it hasn't been functional enough. So I'll log in, and you have to find this software, display driver on installer. Just type Guru, because these are the guys that created it. Display driver on installer, send it to a new tab. These are the things it does. Can click here or any of the links. Your download will automatically start in 5 seconds. Okay, mine has started, but I already have it on my PC. So I'll minimize and then go to my downloads. Okay, mine is on my desktop. Display driver on installer 18.0.0 blah blah blah. I'll click on it. It will tell me where to, it will ask for permission to self-extract. I prefer dragging it out to my desktop, then close this out, click on my desktop, extract. I'll see it here, and then I'll open it up. No, I don't want to update. No. Okay. So this is it. Everything will be grayed out at the moment, and not just for your GPU, you can also use it for audio. Can select the audio driver you want to uninstall. Maybe it's been giving you issues like where you have two audio drivers installed, and if you remove your headphone or something, one functions, if you plug it in the other one doesn't function. All those issues, you can use this to find the misbehaving driver and uninstall it. But in our case, we are doing for GPU. If I want to uninstall my Intel graphic drivers, which is okay, it's not displaying here because I used a driver pack. This is what I'll use to get it out of my system. Same thing for AMD, but in my case I'm using an NVIDIA graphic laptop, so I don't do this except if you are using a CPU, of course, like a desktop. That's when you can do this, change the graphic card. But if you are on a laptop, I don't recommend doing this. So for me, I'll click on this, clean and restart. Once you click on this, you wait for it to do everything. Currently it hasn't really been updated. It's saying my Windows 11 as Windows 10, which is still okay. It will get the job done. Don't mind what is here. The process has already started. Cleanup started on installing NVIDIA driver, executing setup API, blah 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 blah. So you wait for it, depending on how fast your system is, and other things. You just give it a few minutes and it will clean up everything related to the NVIDIA drivers installed on your PC. Once it is done, you have to restart your system. If you restart the system, you can now. So I've uninstalled, the system has restarted. From here, you are not seeing my NVIDIA drivers, which means everything is working. So I'll go on ahead and download my drivers from the official website of my manufacturer, install and have everything done. That's how to uninstall a turbulent or troublesome graphic drivers from your PC. Thank you.